Hello everyone, I want to share with you this product I got here from Hummingbird. The nice people from Hummingbird reached out to me, asked me to do a product review for them. So this is a sponsored video, an all-in-one grooming kit for men. All in one, okay? When I peeked at it, I was really impressed with the quality of the product, really impressed. So it's not cheap plastic looking stuff. All-in-one 21-piece set, stainless steel design, digital battery level capacity, Type-C universal charging, waterproof design, and a docking stand. All right, so everything you would want in an all-in-one shaver, wet, dry capabilities. Take a look at it right there. Very nice, heavy duty, solid power button. I'm gonna go ahead and hold the power button in. Okay, there we go. Got it turned on right there. You can see battery level is 100%. It's making a little vibrating sound. Let's get a little closer look. For you guys that have like beards and mustaches, just gonna go ahead and get the little hairs off my fingers right there. You can see that sliding right across. Doesn't hurt or anything. All right, so you could use this for certainly your sideburns, right? Your sideburns, trim your mustache, all kinds of attachments. If you guys that have facial hair, look at all of these different attachments that they have right here. Okay, you just pull one off and you can put another one on. So this one's got a little bit bigger into it here. All right, got it snapped back in there. So here's a little slightly larger attachment right here. So you have more, you can cover more area. Now you can get somebody to shave the back of your neck. Again, grooming for beards, facial hair. You know, people may shave their arms or whatever if they're hairy guys or whatever. You could certainly do that. Just wet, dry capabilities. So this is really nice. Let's look at the other attachments here. Small ones, larger ones, intended for different purposes. Let's see, let me pull these out. This is more like almost like a razor tip right here. So you could get around, you know, your chin or something maybe with that right there. And also it has a nose hair attachment. And so I think that's going to be useful for me. Sometimes I have problems with that. So a nose hair attachment, very nice. All right, here is the docking station. It's included right here. Take a look at that. So we can place all of these little attachment pieces. All right, so we can put the clipper, the grooming tool in the main hole right here, and you have all these little holes right here for all of the different parts, right? Let's see what else is in here. All right, so here are all of these different tools for whatever level of cutting you need, like a 1 or a 2 or a 3 if you want. If you want to use this as a cutting tool around the edge of your, even as, people that may even cut hair could probably use this, certainly, depending on the depth of your facial hair or how deep of a cut you want. These different tools are set at different levels. You can have longer hair there, you can have longer hair, shorter, all of these different cutting tools. These are the plastic connections that would be appropriate for you to use. A bunch more of these type of attachments. Look at all these. Golly, so many of them, I'm dropping them. A whole bunch more of these type of attachments for shaving your beard, your mustache. You guys have facial hair. Here's the charging cable right here. USB-C charging cable. Looks like a little cleaning tool also right here. So you can clean it out. A 1-year period of warranty right there, 1-year warranty. Okay, there is a travel lock feature, so that's nice. I did notice that when I was turning it on. So to prevent if I'm coming on while you're traveling, I've had that happen before to another device before. You're traveling and all of a sudden you hear something in the back of your vehicle buzzing. You're like, what is that? And your trimmer or something or your razor came on while you're traveling. So it has a travel lock feature. I'll hold this in 3 seconds. There you go. You can see the travel lock right there, flashing yellow right there. All right, now it's turned back on. All right, so here are all the different attachments right here that go with this trimmer. So anything you could possibly need to trim on your body hair, facial hair, you know, whatever kind of other areas you might be trying to trim, this has got it all right here. This has got it all. And it's wet, dry capabilities. That is super nice and super helpful, right? USB-C charging cable right here. The docking station right here, so you can just leave it, you know, on your in your bathroom stand, or, you know, where next to your toothbrush and trimmer, and find a spot on your bathroom shelf. Everything you would need in a trimmer, this thing has it all. So if you are in the market for a trimming tool like this, you may definitely want to take a look at this Hummingbird trimmer. Really nice, heavy duty, just all kinds of different attachments, anything you could think of, it's got it here. Definitely something that I'm excited to have and excited to be putting to good use on my sideburns and things in the future. All kinds of different attachments and nose hair, you know, you name it, it's got it right here. The Hummingbird trimmer. This is definitely something you want to take a look at, and I'm excited about it.